In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly for this raised toilet seat and then show you what the finished product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your toilet seat arrives. But everything is nicely labeled for you and the assembly could not be easier. So the first step is just getting your base together, and it's so easy. So you can see in the instructions here, just A1 to A1 connected by B. So very easy. They got everything labeled super nicely for you, and you just got to connect those, and then you would do the same on the other side. It's just A2 going to A2 connected by B. And as you can see on the instructions here, they just want you to connect A1 to A2 with C. So that's what it's going to look like. And all you got to do is pop these pins in. This honestly took a couple minutes to do. It could not be easier. And the second part of this is just getting the handles and feet on this, and that's the easiest part. These literally just snap into place. At this point, you do probably want to go measure your toilet just to make sure you got it at the right height, whatever it is, but then just line it up, snap them on with the pins, and you are good to go. And now the final step is just to get that seat on there, and you just push it on, and it'll snap into place and secure. It's not going anywhere. In the back here, they actually latch into place. So really was easy. Took me about 10 minutes to get it assembled. I'm gonna go put it on the toilet. We'll see how it looks. And here is what the finished product looks like. So you can do whatever height you want, like I was showing you before. I'm about 6 feet tall, so the tallest height is what's most comfortable. I was gonna use it. I love they have accessories on here, so you can put a roll of toilet paper on the side. Personally, my bathroom obviously has that, but if your bathroom doesn't have one close, they have that for you. And they also got a spot here for maybe your phone or any other type of things you need to have when you're on the toilet. But overall, it's easy to assemble, does its job exactly as it should, and it holds up to 400 pounds, so it should be able to support whatever weight you need. So great little product. I give it 2 thumbs up.